Monday, August 25th, Willow Creek. I can hardly believe what I have just witnessed. As we approached the village of Willow Creek, we saw what appeared to be a band of ruffians terrorizing the peasantry. If only it had been so. We rushed to the fray and were able to save a handful of people from the wretched claws of the walking dead. Although many of the surviving townsfolk fled the area, those that remained were intent on seeing to our needs and mending our wounds. One man said he was tending his livestock when he saw creatures spill out from an overgrown trail that leads to an ancient nearby cemetery. Another villager, a small girl not yet old enough for the fields, said that she had seen brigands take her father and a few others in the direction of that trail. Kruniak immediately sent scouts to scour the area near the trail for the missing villagers. They returned just before sundown to tell us there were some men holding captives at the cemetery. Upon hearing the news, the survivors begged us to help free their kinsmen. We take our leave in a few minutes.
Sir, they're holding the villagers captive near the back of the cemetery.
Ready. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. We're moving. Got it. Yes.
Make up your mind.
Damn, this weather cuts right to what the?
Catch!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're moving.
Move here, move there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Get us out of here!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hurry up! Smash some of these stakes so we can escape.
We're being attacked.
Move here, move there. Make up your ass. Make up your mind. Yes. Move here, move there.
Let's get them.
Move here, move there.
Take that. Got it. Yes. Yes, sir. Sir? Sir? Yes. We're moving. Yes. Got it. We're moving. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. We're moving. Got it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Got it. Got it. Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. We're moving. Got it. Yes. Got it. Your orders, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir. Got it. Yes, sir.
Moving.